A puzzle boy concludes as he looks at himself. His warm skin is blistered from picking up the scraps, from the ticks in his hands to the scars on his feet. His simple needs are few and he'd do anything.
Little puzzle boy, be brave, 'cause little sister's lungs burn and ache. Her tears overcome her smile. It's hard to sleep at night. Can he ever save her life? Maybe if he works hard enough.
Oh, believe it or not, there's hope. Believe it or not, there's hope. Based on the truth, ignorance is no excuse. There is hope.
The little pride he has, he tries to set apart. No, don't mention hunger, 'cause it breaks mother's heart. Don't move, little sister, no, don't say a word. Her breaths become shorter, it aches and it burns.
Little puzzle boy, be strong. Tonight's another night gone wrong as she fights for her life. She finally falls asleep. He says the secret prayer. Can anybody save a life? Oh, believe it or not, there's hope. Believe it or not, there's hope. Based on the truth, ignorance is no excuse. There is hope. Believe it or not,